Nature is not something that we go into to escape. It's not something that is different from who we are. We are a part of nature. We are life. In actuality, when we go hike or we move back to the mountains or the forest, when we go into the forest, we're really just going back to where we belong, to where we came from. Being in touch with the 5 elements daily is the surest way to have an unshakable psychological balance, as well as perfect physical health. That's where we belong. So go get in nature today.